deadly genesis. Fear paralyzed my action, useless. Serpents light up the furnace. I take steps where evil thoughts flourish, and bear witness to dark forces bending up my edifice. I follow angels to the black abyss, and the consequences are disastrous. I will ascend to the heavens and establish my throne at the utmost heights of the mountains, and make myself like the Most High. Have I recorded in Isaiah 14 that I amplify? My man came and prophesied, but my heart was solidified. I sit at tables with devils from hell's alumni, and they suggesting sins that I can't even classify. Dark and twisted, but once these things got evicted, they now take up home and reside. My spine feels the pain of a backslide, pierced, stripped, and pissed, as pride leaves my third eye blind. Power is perfected in weakness, so I ask God to help me see these spirits of sickness. And as the Lord gazes upon my loneliness, I feel demons about my radius. I'm punching holes through the walls. My kids are watching me go AWOL while my wife has to cover them. Don't want them to see the bad example of a godly man acting like an ungodly heathen. Take everything.
The devil's curse God, the devil's curse God, the devil's curse God, and reverse God. The devil's curse God, and reverse God. Turn God the door. The devil's curse God.
A residue of guilt built this twisted tabernacle where my fleshly state meditates. I build defenses harder than steel plate, and conceit won't let the Holy Ghost medicate. I pull back and steal God's throne and feel the judgment straight to the bone and swing a pendulum. Stories ending, but I'm still comprehending my way through these 66 books and covenants. A suffering servant, my cutting edge blunted. A wretched adolescence, they're beating me senseless. Telegraph the heavens for the SOS, cause this type of mess is dangerous, and the bricks are heavy. The water just broke up the levee. 23 years on this land, and it's taken this long to understand that he takes me as I am and as I am not. My microphone burned hot, but my soul froze cold like the North Pole. Picture the hookfish with the devil at the pole. A weak individual with no residual. Leave me alone cause I'm just not able. I'm not agile, my power is fragile. Took some fruit from a reptile. Complete submission, Father, will me your demands. Weak in flesh, God refresh this tortured human. Take everything. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything. Take everything I want you to. Go ahead and take everything.